Okay, you may be Chinese or you may be Indian, but these facts about Spring Festival and Indian festival Diwali will leave you like this. So before anyone smash our cute little face and be like,
Hey, what are you talking about? India and China are so different.
oh my god, these guys are so dumb. They don't know China and India can never be the same. See, we know that there are so many differences, but we are just trying to figure out what are the similarities between the different festivals in India and China. Chinese celebrate the New Year according to the lunar calendar, and that too with the 12 different zodiac signs, and each zodiac sign has different animals. And this year, I think it's ox.
We Indian also celebrate the New Year just after Diwali. That is also as per lunar calendar.
Chinese lunar calendar have 30 days of a month according to the moon position.
Similar to that, Indian Vikram Samvat, the Hindu calendar, which is also has 30 days. 15 days in Krishna Paksha means dark phase, and 15 days in Shukla Paksha means bright phase. Diwali is last day of the year, and we celebrate New Year after that.
How cool is that, right?
Number 2. Celebration.
Chinese New Year is celebrated with so many lights, lamps, and lanterns. And especially those red lanterns, they are very famous. You can see it everywhere.
While in India, Diwali is also celebrated with so many lights, lamps, and candles. So similar, right?
Yeah.
Number 3. Migration.
During the Chinese New Year, almost everyone goes to their home, and there are so many people traveling during this time. And this particular thing has its own name that is called as a Chunyan, and this is the biggest migration of the planet.
Same way, Diwali is also most celebrated festival in India, and almost everyone travel to their home and celebrate Diwali with their family. Number 4. Fireworks.
Chinese New Year is celebrated with so many fireworks.
Diwali is also celebrated with so many fireworks. I mean, a lot of.
But recently I have heard that the fireworks are banned in the China. So
Number 5. Greetings and gifts.
Hongpao, simply we can call it as a red packet that is filled with money. Chinese people give each other red packet, especially during this Spring Festival. Also, many company gives their employee red packets filled with so many money. Also in China, during the Spring Festival, online shopping platform they offer so many discount, and especially there is a one activity called Fu card searching. So you just have to scan the Fu card and you get some money. Yeah, and many of my friends and the colleagues they are so crazy to find the Fu cards in their phone.
Same way in India, we also give gifts to relatives and children, and Diwali bonus is very famous in all the corporates and companies. Number 6. Food.
Without food, any festival is incomplete. During Chinese New Year, the homemade dumplings are very famous. All family members include in this process and they help each other. Also, some people hide the coins in the dumplings, and whoever got it first, they are considered as lucky.
In India, during the Diwali, so many foods are very famous like son papri, kaju katri, and so many other sweets. Also, not in Diwali, one another festival that called Ganesh Chaturthi, we make laddus, a sweet, where we also hide some coins in sweets. And whoever got it first, they also considered as lucky. Number 7. Games.
During Spring Festival, family likes to play the game that is called as a Mahajong during this time of the year.
thì tự cho lòng mà cay ăn cỏ
Tôi đi xong
nha nó tá thì
In India, not in Diwali, but other festivals, that is Janmashtami, we also play a card game in our home. Number 8. Decoration.
In Chinese New Year, everyone decorate their house with these things. It's called as a tuilian. I'm not sure. Tuilian. It has so many beautiful sayings and quotes. Also, some Chinese make this thing at their home with their own beautiful handwriting.
In India also, during Diwali, we also decorate our house with beautiful rangolis. Rangoli is a beautiful color art. We use sand colors and sometimes we use flowers also in rangoli. Number 9. Cleaning.
In Chinese New Year, cleaning is considered as a major activity in all the homes. From younger ones to the older one, they all help in the cleaning. It's like a new start of the year, so cleaning is very important.
In Diwali also, cleaning is very important. Money and luck will only come to clean house. Number 10. Celebration after 15 days.
In China, after the 15 days of the New Year, they celebrate Lantern Festival.
In India also, after 15 days of Diwali, we celebrate Dev Diwali or Choti Diwali.
So you can see there are so many cultural similarities between both the countries. We know that each activity has their own significance in its own. Both festivals are so different. The reason we are celebrating that is also very different. But how we celebrate, feeling, happiness and enjoyment, that is very similar.
We just want to say that either you are from India or China, try to understand each other's culture and not to be ignorant about each other. We can learn from each other.
Peace is not the absence of the conflict, but it is the ability to resolve the conflict by peaceful means. See, we don't know much about the Chinese culture, but still we are trying and we are learning. So if you have any points to add, you can put it in the comment.
Also, if you want to know how we celebrated Diwali in China, you can check out our vlog. Link is in the description. And also let us know how you celebrated New Year.
Yeah, you can write it in the comments.
We hope that you like our videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! 新年快乐!
Bye bye!
The New Year according to the lunar calendar, and that is with different lunar calendar.
Smile. Son Papri.
During this time of the year. During Spring Festival, during
Okay.
तू कर ले वाणर का.
The color code. In Diwali also clean house. Also come to clean house. Only come to clean house. In Diwali also cleaning is very important.
Important. We know
Try to understand each other's culture.
culture. Okay.
We just want to say that. We just want to say that either you are from India or China. We just want to say that either you.